Splashpark promises buckets of fun and a lot more for little and big kids.
It's more than you'd normally expect from Caravan accommodation, but a mini water park is now open at Woolgaroo.
It's designed for the smaller toddlers all the way up. There's interactive things for them down one end, and then you go up into obviously the twin slides.
The site now stands where the manager's house used to be. But the newly opened Splashpark is well worth it.
We were on it for 5 hours yesterday. Yeah.
5 hours?
Yeah. It doesn't get boring.
And it's already on the bucket list for kids of all ages.
You can hear the kids yelling, going, come here, it's going, and then...
Construction took 3 months and cost more than $1 million to create the state-of-the-art water-saving facility. At the moment, it's for park guests, but there is potential for the attraction to open to the public.
It's something we'll certainly look at as we move along. It is actually new, and obviously we want to give the benefit first back to our own guests that are staying with us.
Which could make life a lot easier for more of Townsville's mums and dads.
Probably one of the best babysitters I've ever had.
Lawrence Jeffcoat, 7 News.